The following message is transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. Residents for the entire United States, shelter in place immediately. At around 12:42 p.m. Central Time, many reports came in about these individuals roaming around the country, kidnapping people and taking them to an unknown location. These individuals look familiar to the ones in the game, Among Us, but cannot be confirmed at this time. As a precaution, all residents across the United States are advised to stay indoors at this time. Should these individuals break into your home, use anything by all means necessary to protect yourself and others. Stay tuned to his station for more information on this situation. All clear. Civil emergency message, from the Federal Emergency Management Agency. The individuals, now confirmed to be the characters from the game, Among Us, have cleared out of the United States. Everyone who got kidnapped by these characters are nowhere to be found sadly. It is now safe to leave your shelters, but as a precaution, keep on the lookout for any characters from Among Us, as they could return at any time. Normal programming may now resume at this time.
Welcome back to the BBC News. My gosh, what just happened? I have no comment of what just happened. This was just stupid. Seriously? Among Us? Out of all the things that could have happened today, why freaking Among Us? It's so stupid. I mean, I'm not really stupid, I love Among Us, but everything has to come to life. Everything. Can't we just have one normal day? At this point, I could care less about what just happened. And I don't know why there's Among Us gaming music, no copyright music, going on in the background. I literally don't know why. Maybe it's because the creator of this video is just, he's too creative. And, why did I just, someone just please. I'm done. Goodbye.